Welcome to my Eastleigh parkrun video. Today I'm taking you through one of Hampshire's most welcoming and scenic Saturday morning runs. If you're planning to visit Eastleigh parkrun for the first time, this narration will help you understand the town, the parking options, the route, and everything you need for a smooth experience. Eastleigh is a vibrant railway town located between Southampton and Winchester. It has a friendly community, easy transport links, and plenty of green spaces. The town centre is compact, with cafes, bakeries, and supermarkets, making it perfect for grabbing a coffee or breakfast after your run. Lakeside Country Park, where the parkrun takes place, is one of Eastleigh's most beautiful outdoor spots. It's a mix of lakes, open fields, and tree-lined paths, creating a peaceful environment for runners, walkers, and families. If you're arriving by car, parking is simple. The closest and most convenient option is the Lakeside Country Park car park. It's right next to the venue, and if you arrive before 8:45 a.m., you'll usually find a spot without any trouble. The walk from the car park to the start line is short and gives you enough time to settle in, stretch, and warm up. If the main car park fills up, Places Leisure Eastleigh on Passfield Avenue is your next best option. It's about a 10 to 12 minute walk to the start area, and it's spacious, well-marked, and reliable, especially on busy weekends. Some runners also use nearby residential streets, but it's important to follow local restrictions and avoid blocking driveways. Cyclists have an easy time here too. Lakeside Country Park connects well with Eastleigh's cycle network, and there are bike-friendly paths leading directly into the park. Near the entrance, you'll find bike racks where you can lock your cycle securely before heading to the start. Many local runners prefer cycling in during summer because it's quick, convenient, and avoids parking altogether. Now let's talk about the route. Eastleigh Parkrun follows a 3-lap loop around Lakeside Country Park. It's mostly flat, with a mix of gravel, grass, and compact trail. The terrain is beginner-friendly, but the slight variations keep it interesting for regular runners. Each lap takes you past the lake, through open fields, and along shaded paths. The scenery changes just enough to keep you motivated throughout the run. Marshals are positioned at key turns, so you'll never feel lost. They're incredibly supportive and always cheering runners on. The start line is wide, giving everyone enough space to settle into their pace. After about 300 meters, the path narrows slightly, so it's helpful to find your rhythm early. The final stretch of each lap brings you back towards the lake, where volunteers guide you into the next loop. On the third lap, instead of continuing, you'll peel off towards the finish funnel. The finish area is well organized, with clear markers and friendly volunteers ready to scan your barcode. The course is generally fast, but weather can change things. On dry days, it's perfect for personal best efforts. On rainy weeks, the grassy sections can get soft and muddy, so be prepared for a bit of slipping and sliding. Most runners use regular road shoes, but trail shoes can help if the ground is wet. There's plenty of open space near the start area for warm UPS. You'll see runners doing stretches, short jogs, and mobility exercises before the briefing begins. Toilets are available at the Lakeside Cafe building, which opens early on parkrun days. It's also a great spot to grab a drink or snack after your run. The cafe overlooks the lake, making it a relaxing place to cool down and chat with other runners. Eastleigh Parkrun has a fantastic community atmosphere. You'll see families, club runners, first-timers, walkers, and even dogs on leads. The volunteers are friendly and experienced, and they make the event feel welcoming every single week. If you're new, the first-timers briefing is clear and helpful, explaining the route, safety notes, and how the finish funnel works. The crowd is supportive, and you'll hear plenty of encouragement throughout the course. Whether you're chasing a personal best or simply enjoying a relaxed Saturday run, Eastleigh Parkrun offers a beautiful setting and a warm community. The combination of lakeside views, flat terrain, and friendly volunteers makes it a great choice for runners of all levels. I hope this narration helps you plan your visit and enjoy the experience even more. Now let's get into the run and explore the beautiful Lakeside Country Park together.